Welcome to the Learn Coding YouTube channel. In this video, we'll see how to install Postman. Go to Chrome and click Postman download. And you can click on the first link. And if you are installing on Windows, you can click this Windows 64-bit. If Mac, go for Mac. If Linux, go for Linux. Mine is Windows, so I click download on Windows. Wait for some time. For Postman, download will complete fast because it is very less MB. Once download completes, go to downloads and open that file. Postman is installing. Once install completes, if you want to sign up for free, you can sign up. For now, I don't want to sign up. I'm closing this. We'll run sample API. Go to Chrome and search fake API and copy one sample API. We'll test there through get request. I'm pasting here. These are the requests. We'll do get request now. I'm sending request. You can see the output API request output. Watch for more videos. Thank you.